Hello, you're watching Event Update on AAU TV, the voice of higher education in Africa. Event Update is the #1 stop show that brings you upcoming higher education events happening in Africa. Today, I have here with me Alexander Johnson to do the French version of the Event Update. I am Isabella Tetahinakwa, and we are looking so beautiful in our fabric by the kind courtesy of GTP, Textile Ghana. Please stay tuned, we'll be right back.
Are you an institution or individual? Do you intend to organize a memorable event to be archived for future reference? Then look no further than AAU Studios because it's your best bet. With our spacious studio and state-of-the-art media equipment such as 4K Panasonic video cameras, KinoFlow lights, assorted microphones, live streaming machines and others, you are sure to get the best of production. Visit us at Trinity Avenue, East Legon, adjacent the National Accreditation Board, or contact the AAU Studio via the following addresses: info@aau.org, AAUTV@aau.org, Ransford@aau.org. Alternatively, you can call us on 0244 185 998 or 0244 693 342.
Welcome back. The Association of African Universities is organizing an online teaching and learning management workshop from 3rd to 6th December 2019 at the AAU Secretariat in Accra, Ghana. Models for the workshop include online teaching and learning framework, using technology tools for online teaching, and designing and developing online courses. Expected participants: all academic faculty lecturers, learning and teaching instructors, educational researchers and administrators, directors and coordinators of distance education, e-learning managers and coordinators, as well as general practitioners of scholarship and teaching, among others. For more information, please email Mr. Jefta Edu-Mensah via jedumensa@aau.org or call +233 247 675260. The Carnegie African Diaspora Fellowship Program, that is a scholars exchange program for African higher education institutions, called for application to host a diaspora scholar for 14 to 90 days. Deadline for application is Monday, 9th December 2019. Accredited universities in Ghana, Kenya, Nigeria, South Africa, Tanzania, Uganda, and member institutions of the African Research Universities Alliances can submit a project request to host a scholar. And students born in Africa who live in the United States and Canada and work in an accredited college or university in either of those two countries can also apply online. For more information, please contact the Carnegie African Diaspora Fellowship Program at africandiaspora@iie.org.
Le programme de bourse Carnegie African Diaspora, qui est un programme d'échange d'étudiants pour les établissements d'enseignement supérieur africains, lance un appel à candidature pour accueillir un universitaire de la diaspora pendant 14 à 90 jours. Date limite de candidature lundi 9 décembre 2019. Les universités accréditées au Ghana, au Kenya, au Nigeria, en Afrique du Sud, en Tanzanie, en Ouganda et les institutions membres de l'Alliance des universités africaines de recherche peuvent soumettre une demande de projet pour accueillir un chercheur, et les boursiers nés en Afrique vivant aux États-Unis ou au Canada et travaillant dans un collège ou une université accréditée dans l'un de ces deux pays peuvent également postuler en ligne. Pour plus d'informations, veuillez contacter le programme de bourse Carnegie pour la diaspora africaine via africandiaspora@iie.org.
Freres Mentouri Constantin University invites you to the 4th International Conference on Electrical Engineering and Control Application, ICEECA 19. This conference is to bring together researchers and practitioners from industry and academia to give an overview of the state of the art, to present new research results, and to exchange ideas and experiences. Authors are invited to submit original papers on all aspects of electrical engineering and control systems. Date: 17 to 19 December 2019. Venue: Constantin in Algeria. ICEECA 19 is open to students, control and system engineering, renewable energy, fault diagnosis, fault-tolerant control, large-scale systems, unconventional algorithm and control engineering, signal and communications, and some other related fields. For further information, kindly visit www.iceeeca.org or email iceeeca2019@gmail.com. Please stay tuned, we'll be right back.
This is Africa's most friendly nation, Ghana. A warm reception awaits you in an environment where you can discover and harness your full potential. Your home is an academic haven lying northeast of the city center, a quick dash from the airport. A spirited community where young, vibrant minds are empowered to express themselves, break academic boundaries, and thrive in an atmosphere of rich cultural heritage and excellence in various collegiate and extracurricular activities. This institution represents a whole new world of fun and offers you a variety of activities, facilities, and services geared towards your total development. Believing in the uniqueness of all our students, we encourage them to pursue excellence in integrity. Welcome to the University of Ghana, your preferred academic destination.
Après une première rencontre à Tanger en avril dernier, l'Université Alger 1 lance un appel à participation à la deuxième rencontre de l'événement de dialogue interculturel, réseau et mobilité en Méditerranée, DIRMED, à l'Université de Tunis, El Manar, du 26 au 29 novembre 2019. DIRMED a pour objectif de créer un cadre de coopération pour faciliter les échanges d'étudiants, de personnel académique et non académique des universités et des établissements d'enseignement supérieur du bassin méditerranéen. Cet événement réunira les étudiants, des chercheurs, des universitaires et aussi la participation d'acteurs locaux, de représentants des autorités publiques, des entreprises et des institutions internationales. Pour plus d'informations, veuillez visiter www.univ-alger.dz.
The University of Botswana, in collaboration with the Pan-African Health Informatics Association and other institutions, organizes the 2019 edition of the Pan-African Health Informatics Conference, HELINA. HELINA Conference will focus on evidence to practice of digital health interventions to achieve universal health coverage, and it provides a platform to showcase digital health interventions that have not only shown benefits but are also sustainable. Date: 20th to 22nd November 2019. Venue: University of Botswana. Topics like the maturity model approach to implementation of digital health solutions, digital health learning systems, as well as quality and use of health data and systems, among others, will be discussed. Original presentations on full research papers, work in progress papers, or case study or experience are welcome. For more information, kindly visit www.helena-online.org.
Les candidatures pour l'Université d'hiver des Thinktank 2020 sont ouvertes. L'Université d'hiver est une occasion unique d'approfondir vos connaissances et de vous préparer à de futurs rôles de leadership. Elle est organisée par Thinktank, Freres et le Thinktank Hub et offre des compétences pratiques et des opportunités de réseautage pour vous aider à développer dans des domaines essentiels tels que la mobilisation des ressources, la communication, la gestion financière, l'engagement politique, etc. Elle aura lieu du 2 au 8 février 2020 en Suisse. Et pour en savoir plus sur les éditions de 2020, 2019 et 2018, veuillez consulter Winter School 2020, 2019 et 2018.
Applications for the Winter School for Thinktankers 2020 are open. The Winter School is a unique opportunity to deepen your think tank knowledge and to prepare for future leadership roles organized by Thinktank, Freres and Thinktank Hub. It offers practical skills, opportunities, and network to help you and your think tank grow in core areas such as fundraising, communications, financial management, policy engagement, and more. Date: 2nd to 8th February 2020. Venue: Geneva, Switzerland. Read more about the Winter School 2020 as well as 2019 and 2018 editions by visiting on thinktanks.org/events/WISCH 2020. That is all for this episode. Event Update is brought to you by the Association of African Universities. Please subscribe to our social media handles on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter at AAU_TV. I am Isabella Tetanhinakwa.
And I'm Alexandra Ampaba Johnson.
See you same time next week. Bye.